recent story of misery. According to some sources, not just one explosion, but two in the port area of the city. And some of the pictures that you can see on elsewhere online show the most extraordinary explosion, spewing a huge mushroom cloud into the air and scattering debris over a very substantial area as well. One reportedly in the port. You can see presumably some extent of the scale of this explosion that's tossed cars some distance and overturned them. I'm presuming that's as a consequence of what's happened. There's no clue at this stage, this very early stage, whether, given that this happened in the port area, whether it was, these are live pictures you're looking at now, whether this was an industrial explosion, always a possibility until confirmed otherwise, or an act of terror and a deliberate attempt to kill and maim. It has been pointed out that this week is the week in which an international tribunal returns a verdict into the killing of the former Prime Minister, Rafik Hariri, with Hezbollah agents thought to be in the frame. No confirmation yet as to whether there were two explosions, but as those pictures testified, terrifying effect really. Huge explosion in the port city. Our producer Zain Jafar, who was in the city for a little bit longer, telling us that even his own flat felt the damage there, and items falling off the shelves, etc. He's some distance from where this happened, so hoping to talk to him soon about what may be the background to events today in Beirut.